Welcome back to the Keg King channel, brewers. I'm Daniel, and today we're going to talk about Ultratap Twist, which is a brand new flow control designed faucet that works with Ultratap. If you already have an Ultratap, the good news is you don't need to buy Ultratap Twist as the whole faucet. Just get this upgrade kit. You're going to be able to swap out the internals of your current faucet and get flow control. So let's check it out. So the Ultratap faucet came out in about 2018. It was a revolutionary new design back then that allowed for a more laminar flow than any other faucet out there. It had a much longer shuttle inside. It was all stainless steel in its construction, and it is absolutely fantastic to be able to offer a flow control version of it now. So we've been waiting a long time for this, but flow control is a very difficult path to go down when you're designing faucets. One of the reasons is the patents that exist on the side of the faucets for that side flow control lever that everybody uses. But we find that that lever actually kind of gets in the way in some of the designs. It actually creates nucleation sites and points within the faucet that whip up foam instead of controlling the flow of the faucet. Sometimes it actually kind of makes things worse. So if you've got a good balanced system and you've got Ultrataps on the system, you won't need to get new Ultratap Twist faucets. You can just get an upgrade kit. So it doesn't matter if you have any other color Ultratap, you'll just be able to swap the internals. Ultratap's flow control feature works directly from the tap handle itself. So it's built in that you don't have to be working two different lever points, the handle and the side thing that you have on other flow control taps. So let's go ahead and we'll upgrade this Ultratap to an Ultratap Twist with flow control. It's really simple. I'll show you how to break this down really quickly. We're going to start with removing the handle. You're going to put some of these items aside so that we can put them back onto the faucet afterwards. But we're going to go ahead and remove the shuttle out of the inside of this faucet by taking apart the handle assembly first and take off this cap as well, because we'll need to replace these parts later. Then you just simply pull up on your handle and remove the shuttle from inside. And inside here there is a red O-ring, and on the top of this handle there's this Delron cap. We're going to keep these items aside as well. The shuttle we won't be needing, and this handle we won't be needing. So now let's go ahead and upgrade this to an Ultratap Twist. Your new handle will be this piece here, and if you want you can screw this part on the handle all the way down so that it's going to contact your new shuttle. That's what it looks like. This is the secret behind Ultratap Twist and the flow control abilities that it has, is this revolutionary new design. There's nothing like this on the market. So we're really proud of this. This was designed right here in Australia by our engineering team, totally taking flow control into a new realm. You're going to see this. So go ahead, grab the shuttle and put it into, so that the hole is facing up towards the handle. Go ahead, put it into the faucet. Now that's your new handle. We're going to wind this piece of it on the end all the way down. So there's this little paddle on the end. That's going to fit into the shuttle. So you've still got your red O-ring in there, or an O-ring that's in there. It could change in color, but it will be there. You will put this handle in place into the shuttle. And then you're going to grab your Delron cap and put that back into place on top. So it seals up the handle inside the faucet. And then if we go ahead and put the cap back on first, so that seals onto the faucet. And you don't really need to be using pliers and cranking this down, just nice and finger tight should be perfect. Then go ahead and put the base of the handle into place. And last, your black handle. So the last little piece that we have to put on clicks into place on the shuttle. And that's this piece here. This is the other secret to Ultratap Twist that really helps keep that flow control under control. So you're going to go ahead, pull the tap forward a little bit, just like you're pouring a drink, pour it forward so that the back of the shuttle sticks out of the tap a bit easier. You'll see that there's a groove in the back of this piece here and a hole. So with the flatter side of it facing out, you're going to go ahead and plug this groove part in onto the shuttle, and it will click into place on it. So that's it. You've just upgraded your UltraTap to an UltraTap Twist. Now you have flow control. And all you have to do to make that work is twist the handle clockwise to restrict the flow and anti-clockwise to open that flow up. So let's go check it out on a tap that I've already set up downstairs. Or actually, we'll just go ahead and plug this one in. Let's do that. So we've gone ahead and set up the UltraTap Twist on this MFL shank adapter here on a keg that's actually being kept cold by a Thermentor King temp control device. So there's a cooling coil in the keg that's getting it nice and cold. In fact, there's ice out on the very top of the keg here. But the Twist itself is just sitting there on the side of it, ready to pour a beer. So let's take a look at the flow control feature of Twist. So we open up the tap, that's choked all the way off. So all we have to do is turn counterclockwise and we open up the flow. Turn back the other way to reduce the flow. Open, close, open, close. I could do this all day. I love it. It's so cool. Wherever you set it, that's where it will open the next time. So if you wanted to, you could fill a tiny little glass. And this way you're not wasting a drop blowing high pressure beer into tiny little serves. In fact, we can open that just a little bit. There you go. And you don't have to be an octopus to be able to serve this stuff either, because you've got the flow control ability right there on the handle. So even if this was a spring-loaded tap where it was going to auto close, you can still just work it with the one hand. So I like that. I'll drink to it. So UltraTap Twist, you can upgrade any existing UltraTap to be an UltraTap Twist. You'll get flow control, so it doesn't matter if you've got a gold tap, a black tap, a brass tap, a stainless tap. If it's an UltraTap, you can plug in UltraTap Twist and get the benefit of flow control so that you can control every single pour and never miss a drop. Thanks for watching, brewers.